Hi,
All right, Tessa's turn. I want to see the Superman belly flop. Superman.
That was not really Superman. Wow! Okay, I'm gonna do something awesome.
Let's see it.
It's a backflip. Here, man. It's called a backflip anyway.
It's getting a little too far away. Let me kick it closer.
Okay.
There you go.
Wait. Do it. I have never tried that. That seems like it hurt.